Think about it. Active ingredients take years to develop. They are based on decades of science, knowledge, and know-how. And to be effective against the disease they target, they need to reach their destination, which means going through all the obstacles in the human body. So how can they do that? With excipients. First, excipients keep the active ingredients stable from their manufacture and through different levels of temperature, humidity, shocks, to the moment patients take their medical treatments. Excipients also shape medicine to be distinguishable so that patients can take the right one, in the right moment, at the right time. Excipients may also be used to mask a bad taste or smell. Why? Because patients won't feel like taking their medicine if it tastes or smells bad. Most importantly, excipients release the active ingredient exactly when needed, whether requiring fast, immediate, or modified release. Roquette masters tablets which disintegrate instantly in the mouth. The excipient vanishes in seconds to release the active ingredient. This fast-release technology is useful to take on the go, without water, or for patients who have difficulty swallowing. But most medicines have to be released later on inside the body to be fully efficient. Once swallowed, pills go down the esophagus. Again, excipients play a key part here. They help patients swallow the pills smoothly. But from this point on, the body environment changes completely. The stomach's acidic conditions can damage the active ingredient. For those active ingredients which can withstand it, the excipients will dissolve right away, providing quick relief, which is wonderful when you have a stomach ache or headache, for example. Sometimes immediate release is not desirable if the active ingredient is too fragile or may irritate the stomach. The excipients must protect it longer and provide modified release. For example, a delayed release, which can drive the active ingredient to the small intestine, where most drugs are absorbed. Excipients can also release drugs gradually over time. Therefore, pain relief can be released overnight, and patients with chronic diseases will not have to take medicine as often. Or excipients can preserve the active ingredient until it reaches the desired organ, the one that needs treatment. This targeted release is highly effective in Crohn's disease or colon cancer, for example. But that is not all excipients do. They also play a crucial part in solubilization, a process that helps the active ingredient to reach the bloodstream and provide its benefits to the body. At Roquette, we stand with patients first. Some patients are fragile, and some are really picky. But in the end, all of them need to take and continue taking their medicine until the end of their treatment, and sometimes for their entire life. That's why, relying on decades of experience in the pharmaceutical industry at Roquette, we challenge ourselves every day to provide highly qualitative and reliable solutions. And we make the most of our knowledge in the food industry to develop tastes and textures to improve the likelihood that patients will take their medicine. Roquette is always forward-thinking. We're acting today for tomorrow. For example, to make 3D printed medicine possible and provide personalized care for everyone. Roquette, offering the best of nature.